Need a burner number for Webull that actually works? Here's the secret method. If you've tried getting past Webull's phone verification with random online numbers, you've probably hit the same wall everyone does. Those cheap VoIP numbers get rejected instantly because Webull knows they're fake. Here's what actually works. MobileSMS.io provides real SIM-based numbers, not VoIP. These are actual phone numbers from real SIM cards, so Webull can't tell the difference. But here's the key. Don't just get a one-time number, get a long-term rental. Why? Because Webull will ask you to re-verify later for withdrawals and security checks. With a 30-day rental for $65, you get unlimited SMS for multiple platforms, not just Webull. The process is simple. Sign up, add credits, choose your rental period, get your number instantly, and use it for verification. Your real number stays private, no spam calls, and you're always ready for re-verification. Stop wasting time with methods that don't work. Check out MobileSMS.io and get a number that actually passes Webull's verification every time. Pro tip: match your IP with the country of your number, ideally USA for platform consistency. MobileSMS.io uses non-VoIP, real SIM numbers for higher acceptance. Credits only deduct when an SMS arrives, and support is there if a number fails. Teams can auto-forward OTPs to Slack or Discord with Premium. It's fast and reliable when timing matters. Recap: choose a long-term burner over one time. Sign up, add credits, pick 30-day all services, verify, and you're set. Use numbers ethically and within platform rules to stay compliant. Most traders pick the 30-day all services for stability across apps. Keep your trading clean, private, and consistent with MobileSMS.io. Get your long-term burner today and skip the VoIP headaches for good. Link below to start.